market has dominated the news this month, with affordability and supply the key issues. However, for Kay & Burton, the demand for property at the premium end of the spectrum continues to astound, and it's through our relationships built over decades with international and local clients that we've seen some remarkable results. Traditionally, June signals the slowdown of the premium property market for the winter months. Not so this year, demand driving competition and sales to the highest levels in nearly a decade.
Fresh bidding, 3,440,000. At 3,440,000, it's on my left now at 3,440,000.
Well, we've just completed Melbourne's strongest autumn selling season since 2010 and maybe since 2007. We're seeing clearance rates consistently above 80% in most of those suburban regional markets, and we're entering into winter already with confidence and growing prices, higher clearance rates and higher auction volumes.
Unprecedented international interest, low interest rates and a low Australian dollar. It's what some in the industry call a perfect storm.
There have been some very significant sales in the last 6 months, and this is all to do with when I talk about the perfect storm and confidence in the marketplace. We've had some great sales recently at number 3 Glenbervie Avenue in Toorak. There's been a beautiful sale recently at 58 Clendon Road. We had a recent sale for just under 20 million in Lancel Road in Toorak, so the top end of the market is performing exceptionally well.
Add to this, number 2 Haverbrack Avenue in Malvern sold just days after featuring in last month's Kay & Burton report. 28 Harcourt Street in Hawthorn East exchanged hands for circa $6 to $7 million. And nearby, 35 Sackville Street Kew surpassed its reserve price by $2 million to achieve an outstanding result of around $11 million. This property perfect storm is expected to continue through winter and into spring.
This market, in my opinion, is not going to change dramatically. Where interest rates staying the way that they are, where the Australian dollar is currently hovering around the same sort of number, we will find that the next few months will be strong. I think there'll be a lot of activity. There is still a thirst for people to be buying property, and they want to know, what else have you got? What's coming up?
Experts believe the growth in property is sustainable.
The only thing that would knock house prices down would be a sharp increase in interest rates, and of course that's just not going to happen. So don't worry, the bubble doesn't exist.